I will do this work tomorrow. Yeah, will do. What's the hurry? It's too hot today. I'm so much tired. It's raining. We'll do it next week. Last game. These are common statements which we generally say to ourselves and to others. Tomorrow never turns into today because today is also as our usual days. But why not now? Why not today? Why not just? The lack of motivation, no sense of urgency, and a fear of stepping outside our comfort zones are those factors that pull us into laziness. Is there any secret to avoid laziness? There is no secret. Yes, that's right. We have to get out of our comfort zone, put in a significant amount of efforts, and make a change in our lifestyle to overcome lazy habits. Research shows that the top habits of successful students include planning their studies and assignments, avoiding distractions. So, hello everyone, this is Dr. Shweta and welcome back to my channel Study with Shweta. In this video, we are going to discuss on the points that how can you overcome on your laziness. So, first of all, get out of your comfort zone. Wait before you wonder how not to be lazy to study. First, look at your current state and activity. Being in your comfort zone and expecting results is a worthless daydream. One cannot expect to fetch great marks while sitting on the couch, binge watching or playing all the time. To perform well in your papers, you have to study. There is simply no other way. So get out of the bed and head straight towards your books. For only working hard will bring success to you. You may wish to watch that one last episode of your favorite show, but give it up. One has to leave all the fun and luxuries behind to rise. Next point is choose time and place. You have to choose an appropriate and suitable place to study. Like you cannot study in a disturbance. So choose a peaceful place where you can concentrate more and focus more. So the location is important. The time is also very much important. At the time you are not comfortable, feeling sleepy, and then you are trying to study, it will not happen. Okay? So choose that time of the day when you feel fresh and energetic and are ready to study. Then fix it for all days of the week. Study timings may be vary for each student. So always study at the regular times which you have set for you. Utilize your time in productive works. When you are not ready to study, that time you can spend time on mobile or TV just for refreshment. Next, make a study plan. The best way to focus on your studies is by preparing a study plan. Now let's admit that at least once we have tried making a schedule and tried working accordingly. However, we don't tend to stick to it a lot. Why is it so? It is not that we are not serious about our studies. It is rather because of your indiscipline to achieve your targets. You need to be sincere. So get up now, prepare a study plan, make your schedule and act according to it. Whenever you feel like you are not according to your planning, have an option to punish yourself. Make smaller goals and set short-term targets. And no matter what, you must stick to your study plan. And soon it will become your habit and would no more feel lazy while studying. Find your motivation. You are the only person to bring out your sincerity towards studies. So not to be lazy to study, find your sources of motivation and you can follow the footprints of your ideal person. Read success stories and dream of a great career and bright future. Never underestimate yourself. There are a lot of motivational speakers who can help you boost your interest in your concerned field of study. However, the most important part is self-motivation. Next point, start easy. If you have been putting your books away for long, then it might be tough to begin at a high pace. So start with easy. Pick out those subjects or chapters which you feel are simple and would consume less time and efforts. Invest your focus on that particular topic. Just start with the basic stuff. This would also help in clearing out any basic doubts you would be having. You can then increase the time and subjects as per your wish. That way, you probably won't get bored or lazy. Next point, reward yourself. Among all study techniques, the best one is to give reward yourself once you reach a set target. When every small achievement of yours is celebrated, it would give you a motivation to work more and study harder. Just like children are given candies or chocolates on their small activities, grant yourself some small reward like a good long drive, phone call to your friends, and a quality time with your family. You can have a movie break, etc. Next, aim at good results. How not to be lazy to study? Well, vibes matter. Surrounding yourself with positive, musical, and happy vibes and good thoughts can serve great motivation. One should always have a goal that should not be to the topper of the class or the score better than others. It should rather be to perform well and reach your target. Keeping your aim alive and active in mind is important for everyone who is struggling with their studies. Always try to be better than yourself. Apart from all these, don't ever forget to appreciate yourself. Even if you studied for 1 hour, pat yourself on the back because you were able to overcome your laziness and perform even a bit. Recognize all your efforts and know you can combat all your distractions and put all your attention into what is important. Even if you fail somewhere, don't feel low. Work harder, for there is always a new opportunity waiting. Immerse yourself in the study culture and move towards great results now. I hope these tricks will help you study better. All the best for exams. Thank you so much.